Welcome back to another video by me, Zenshin. I appreciate you for clicking the video. However, if you liked what you see here, please hit that like and slap that subscribe to support the channel and get notifications for future videos and streams. And as always, it's over 9,000! The Retroid Pocket Flip 2. Alright. Oh, okay. This looks like to tell you what all the buttons and the mappings are. Oh, that's cool. This is the first time I've ever owned any kind of project like this, or a product like this. Is there anything else? Probably not. Nope. To be specific, this is the 16-bit US version, the Snapdragon 865. Apparently it's the more powerful out of the two. Alright. Oh, that is a design choice there. There's something on there? A new product. Oh, just scraping off. Oh wow, this is a lot smaller than I thought in person than in a video. Okay. Whoa. Oh, this feels good. Oh, those are analog triggers. Ooh, that feels good. Ooh, I like the click. These are the top buttons, R1, L1, seem like mouth clicky ones. These are a little mushy, but with a little click. Oh, that's a nice D-pad. The D-pad's very clicky and not mushy. I like that. And so do all these buttons. I plan to put some PS2 on here, Game Boy Advance, maybe some Wii U, Wii games, and see what happens. Alright everybody, stay tuned for the next video, and thank you. And if you like this, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like me to look at a certain game on this or something particular, just leave a comment. Thank you and have a nice day.